against the manufacturing, distribution, or sale of illegal weapons here in California.
Governor Gavin Newsom came up with the idea after Texas passed a similar law dealing with abortions. Our political reporter Morgan Reiner has what you need to know.
Texas passed a law known as SB 8 that allows people who aren't connected to an abortion to sue anyone who performs or facilitates one and receive up to $10,000 in damages.
If they're going to use this framework to put women's lives at risk, we're going to use it to save people's lives.
So Newsom copied the law here in California, but instead of abortion, he did it for guns.
There are 40 million people that can collect $10,000.
Former Senator Bob Hertzberg volunteered to put the idea into a bill form. I interviewed him about his bill back in April.
So if someone has a ghost gun or an assault weapon and your neighbor sees it and they can see that you transported it, or that you have possession of it, all of a sudden they can get $10,000 plus attorney's fees.
Gun rights organizations sued. The case is still going through the legal process, but a U.S. District Court judge blocked one part of the law from taking effect in the meantime, the part that would have required the gun industry to pay for legal fees, even if they won the case.
What they've determined is there's a good likelihood that the plaintiff is going to win. And that is an aspect of it that will cause harm right away. So that's the only reason why it was enjoined.
Publisher of a Second Amendment news site, DeLuz, said the average citizen is not going to know if a gun is illegal.
How are you going to determine if someone has broken California's gun laws?
So he believes if lawsuits start coming in, it will be through larger organizations.
These are organizations with deep pockets. And their whole goal, quite frankly, is going to be to sue individuals, to sue firearms retailers, and basically in order to put them out of business.
When the news came out that a San Diego judge blocked that portion of the law, saying it was unconstitutional, Newsom applauded it, saying the judge confirmed the Texas law was also unconstitutional because he quite literally